Welcome to part 3 of making the Ring Bling quilt. Look at this gorgeous bundle of fat quarters of QT Fabrics Origins fabric. Follow me on other social media accounts like Instagram, where I occasionally have giveaways. Now today we're going to be talking about how to lay out our quilt blocks before we start sewing them. So in the Ring Bling quilt, there are 4 units to every block. And basically there are 2 different quadrants that need to be made. So laying out the first one starts out with 2 half square triangles, a teal and a black. And then there's a teal rectangle, followed by another teal rectangle on top. And then a black rectangle over on the left-hand side, and a larger black rectangle on the top. Now you need to make 2 of these units, so there are 2 of each of these fabrics laid out. And the other unit, the other quadrant that needs to be made, gets started with half square triangles, and then smaller gray and light gray ones, followed by a black square, followed by a teal square and a light gray square, then a teal rectangle, another light gray square and a black rectangle, followed by a black rectangle and a dark gray square. So again, there are 2 of these units that get made for every block. And so I have 2 of each of these fabrics laid out. Now in the pattern it tells what other colors get laid out this same way. So for this particular layout, rust gets laid out the exact same way. So I would lay out the rust fabrics here, 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 and then 2 of each of the gray and black on top of it. And that makes it really easy when it's time to go to your sewing machine, because you can just start picking up the pieces and laying them together and start sewing. The other colors in the block get laid out a different way, and so I would start laying out each of those. And so I believe for this quilt there are 4 different layouts of the blocks, and it tells you how many of each color you lay out for that block. So this is what I do in order to make sewing the blocks together real easy. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for part 4, which will be sewing the blocks. Bye-bye.